In this video, I will discuss about fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis and how to make money from cryptocurrencies by using this. Right now, I am opening the chart of Bitcoin against US dollars. Right now, the price of one Bitcoin is $55,000. The study about the external factors which can affect the price of an asset is called fundamental analysis. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose I want to invest some money in Bitcoin. What will I do first? Will I directly invest my money in Bitcoin? The answer is no. I should have some sort of trust in the asset in which I am investing. So I will do fundamental analysis of Bitcoin. I will check the use case of Bitcoin. Is it solid enough which can pump and increase the price of Bitcoin in the future? I will see how many amount of Bitcoins are available in the market. What is the max supply of Bitcoin? Right now, the max supply of Bitcoin is only 21 million, which is very less compared to other cryptocurrencies out there. So the supply of Bitcoin is very less and the demand of Bitcoin is increasing day by day, which means that the price of Bitcoin can perform well in the future. I will look for events which can affect the price of Bitcoin, like the Bitcoin halving, which takes place after every 4 years, in which the rewards for miners in Bitcoin gets divided. So in this case, the supply of Bitcoin is decreasing, whereas the demand is increasing day by day. So Bitcoin can perform well in the future. Since large institutions like BlackRock filed for Bitcoin ETF, its price increased 180%. So this is a bullish event for Bitcoin. Bullish means positive and increase in price, whereas bearish means negative and a decrease in price. So I will see that is any large institution interested in Bitcoin? So yes, many large institutions, including BlackRock, are interested in Bitcoin. So this is again a bullish sign that Bitcoin can pump in future. I will keep an eye on news. Let's suppose a war takes place between Israel and Palestine. Now this is a very bearish news for all the markets, including stock market, forex market, and the Bitcoin market, crypto market as well. The price of Bitcoin on this news will fall drastically. Now let's suppose influencer like Elon Musk announces that he will accept Bitcoin payments for Tesla. Then on this news the price of Bitcoin will pump heavily. This is how news affect the market. Let's assume that the CPI data and the interest rates of the United States gets a cut. Now this is a bullish news for all the markets and Bitcoin's price will increase. If any influencer talks negative about Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin can fall drastically. So, this is called fundamental analysis. The external factors like news, events, economic data, supply and demand, or the team behind the particular cryptocurrency can affect the price of that asset. So, not one thing that you cannot only rely on fundamental analysis. You also need to learn about technical analysis to make money from cryptocurrencies. So, I will be teaching technical analysis on my channel soon. I hope you understood the concept. Subscribe.